Welcome back to New Notifications. Today, we're diving into Cozymaxxing, the art of making your space feel like a giant, warm hug. Cozymaxxing is about intentionally creating a sanctuary where you can truly relax. It's not just about looks, it's about curating a vibe of comfort and contentment. Think curling up with a book on a rainy day or slipping into your favorite sweater. That's the energy we want in your room. You don't need a big budget, it's the small, intentional choices that make a huge difference. I'll walk you through 7 easy tips to Cozymaxx your space and turn your room into a comfy retreat. So grab a warm drink, get comfy, and let's start this cozy journey together. First up, lighting. Harsh overhead lights. Not cozy. Swap them for warm, soft lighting to create a gentle, inviting atmosphere. Fairy lights are a game changer. Drape them over your headboard, around a mirror, or in a glass vase for instant magic. Add lamps in different spots. A floor lamp in the corner, a table lamp on your nightstand, maybe one on your desk. Use warm white bulbs, around 2700K for that sunset glow. Create lighting zones, brighter for reading, softer for winding down. Dimmers or smart bulbs let you control the mood with a swipe. Candles, real or electric, add a flickering, calming light that's hard to beat. The gold pools of cozy light, not a blinding spotlight. Walk into your room tonight and notice how the light feels. Where could you add a lamp or string lights? Even a salt lamp or paper lantern can add warmth and character. Move away from flat, functional lighting and embrace light that adds to your room's personality. Lighting is the foundation of coziness. Get creative and make it your own. This one change alone can transform your space. Don't underestimate the power of soft, layered light. Cozymaxxing starts here. Ready to see your room in a whole new light? Let's move on to the next cozy layer. Now, let's talk touch. Textiles are key to making your room feel physically and visually soft. Start with a plush rug, even a small one by your bed, to warm up cold floors and absorb sound. Your bed is the star. Layer soft sheets, a cozy comforter, and top it off with a chunky knit or faux fur throw. Pile on pillows, mix sizes, shapes, and textures for that cloud-like look. Don't stop at the bed. Drape a blanket over your chair, add a cushion, and swap out blinds for thick curtains. Heavy curtains in velvet or linen block light and sound, making your room feel like a cocoon. Think about what you touch as you move through your space. Soft rugs, velvet pillows, chunky blankets. Each texture adds comfort and security. Layering textiles isn't just about looks, it's about creating a space you want to sink into. Check your room. Could your bed use another blanket? Does that chair need a throw? Thrift stores and budget shops are great for finding affordable throws and pillow covers. The more variety, the better. Make your space a feast for the fingertips. Layering is the secret to instant coziness. Don't be afraid to mix and match. Your room should invite you to relax at every touch point. Textiles transform a plain room into a sanctuary. Ready to add another cozy layer? Let's move on to the next sense. Cozymaxxing is all about the details. Next up, scent. The right fragrance can instantly make your space feel comforting and personal. Candles are a classic. Choose scents you love like vanilla, lavender, or sandalwood. Lighting a candle can become a relaxing ritual that signals it's time to unwind. Don't save your favorite candles. Use them daily to make every day feel special. Prefer no flames? Try an essential oil diffuser for a customizable gentle scent. Mix oils like lavender and cedarwood for sleep, or orange and peppermint for a morning boost. Reed diffusers are a low-maintenance way to keep your room smelling fresh. Incense and room sprays are great for a quick refresh or a meditative vibe. Even a sachet of dried lavender in your pillowcase can help you relax. Experiment to find your signature scent. Visit a store, try different candles or oils. Scent is the invisible layer that ties your cozy sanctuary together. It's all about what makes you feel at home. Don't underestimate the power of fragrance. Your room should smell as good as it feels. Let's keep building your cozy retreat. Now, let's add the most important ingredient, you. Cozymaxxing is personal. Fill your space with things that make you smile. Print your favorite photos and create a gallery wall or hang them with fairy lights. Art doesn't have to be expensive. Posters, prints, or your own creations all count. Display souvenirs, books, or objects from your travels and hobbies. Let your passions and memories be visible. They tell your story. Choose everyday items with intention. A favorite mug, a beautiful journal, a special dish for your keys. When even the smallest objects have meaning, your space feels more joyful. Celebrate your creativity. Display that blanket you knit or the painting you made. Your room is your personal museum. Take inventory. What truly represents you? What tells your story? If your room feels generic, start gathering items that matter to you. Pull out old photos, souvenirs, or art you've never hung up. Populate your sanctuary with things that make you, you. This is how a decorated room becomes a true home. Your space should reflect your personality and history. Make it unmistakably yours. That's the heart of Cozymaxxing. Cozy doesn't mean cluttered. A clear space is a clear mind. Even the softest blankets can't make up for piles of stuff everywhere. Decluttering is about being intentional with what you keep. Start small, clear your nightstand, wipe it down, and only put back the essentials. Instantly, that corner feels lighter and more peaceful. Organize with style. Use woven baskets, decorative boxes, and drawer dividers. Good storage can double as decor. Display personal touches thoughtfully. Group similar items. Create little vignettes, and rotate things seasonally. Make tidying up a quick daily habit. 5 minutes before bed is all it takes. Waking up to a calm, organized room sets a positive tone for your day. Decluttering is self-care. It frees up physical and mental space. You're telling yourself you deserve a peaceful, beautiful environment. A tidy room is the canvas for all your cozy layers. Don't aim for empty. Aim for intentional. Let your favorite things shine, not get lost in the mess. Organization supports relaxation. Cozymaxxing works best in a calm, ordered space. Ready to carve out your ultimate comfort zone? Let's create your cozy nook. Time to create a dedicated relaxation spot. Your cozy nook. Find a secluded corner, by a window, or away from the door, even if it's just a small space. The heart of your nook is comfy seating, a plush chair, beanbag, or a pile of floor cushions. Layer on a soft blanket and extra pillows for maximum comfort. Add a warm reading lamp or fairy lights for soft, focused light. Accessorize for your favorite activities. Books, headphones, a journal, or a side table for tea. Make this a no-work zone. Reserve it for pure relaxation. Over time, just sitting here will help you unwind. Even in a small room, you can designate one end of your bed as your nook. The key is intention. Create a defined zone just for you. Your cozy nook is your personal retreat within your sanctuary. Let's add the final touch to your Cozymaxxed space. For the final tip, bring nature inside. Biophilia is real. Houseplants purify the air, add color, and soften hard lines. Start with easy plants like snake plants, ZZ plants, or pothos. Even 1 or 2 plants can make a big difference. Not into plants. Add natural materials, wooden frames, woven baskets, or seagrass accents. Display fresh flowers, pine cones, or a special rock from a walk. Nature-inspired art or botanical prints also bring the outdoors in. These elements ground your space and boost your mood. Natural textures balance out synthetic ones, completing the cozy vibe. Bringing nature inside makes your room feel alive and harmonious. It's the perfect finishing touch for your sanctuary. And that's it. 7 ways to Cozymaxx your room into the ultimate sanctuary. From soft lighting and layered textiles to personal touches and a bit of greenery, each step builds a space that nurtures you. Your room should be your retreat, a reflection of your coziest self. Share your favorite cozy tips in the comments. I'd love to hear your ideas. If you enjoyed this, give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more creative room transformations. Thanks for watching and being part of this cozy community. Until next time, stay cozy and take care.